What the bloody hell, dog? You've always been jealous of them sodding birds. Now you've made a frigging meal of them. I tell you what, you're off, mate. For your crap, mate. Go, you're off. Get him. There. Jump out tough. Take off my hands, yeah. I'll go back to my car and get you the money. Okay. Be back in a minute. Until that, you. Hi, lads. Hi, Eric. Oh, mate. What are you doing with them birds? I thought the bloody dog had eaten them. I've got rid of the dog because I thought the dog had eaten the birds.
I came around this morning to collect the DVD, but you weren't here. I went to the kitchen to make a brew and noticed through the conservatory the budgies wasn't looking too well.
What do you mean the budgies weren't looking well?
One of them budgies had his head down and wings up like a crashed aeroplane, so I got frightened and took them to the vets. I know you think a lot of the birds, so I thought I had better do something about it.
I've only been gone 10 minutes.
How was I supposed to know?
Why didn't you leave me a blasted note or something, or text me, or leave me a message to let me know what was going on?
I don't know. I wasn't thinking right. I was in a panic. I was only thinking of the best for the birds.
And I thought the dog had ate the budgies. There's feathers all over the place in the conservatory. I've thrown the dog in the car, taken it down to a lay-by and given it to some foreign lorry driver. He's probably halfway to France by now.
Don't be annoyed with me. What else was I to do? Perhaps here it's time to catch the driver before he sets off for the coast.
Hey, I wonder if there's a chance we can catch him in that lay-by.
Okay, Les. Why don't we give it a go and see if we can catch him?
Okay, look sharp then. Let's get a move on.
There's Fluffy.
What a stroke of love. Hello, Fluff. What's this? Got a note on you? Lorry driver's left a note, Eric. And it says, the dog whined and cried so bloody much in the lorry, can't sleep, and the dog crapped in the cab. So he's dumped it here and left a note for somebody to look after it.
It must be my lucky day then.
It ain't my lucky day, mate. I'm 20 quid down now for a tank of bloody diesel.
well then, lass. Come on then, let's get back and get a brew on. I've got a mouth like the bottom of a budgie's cage.
Cracking idea. I just realised you made a funny, sarcastic sod.